Flex your way to a stronger back, yoga and gymnastics at home. Start your day by connecting with your inner strength through yoga and gymnastics right from the comfort of your home. As you roll out your mat, let's begin with gentle yoga stretches, awakening each muscle and preparing for a rejuvenated day. Transitioning into gymnastics, focus on your core and back. The bridge pose not only strengthens but also brings flexibility. Remember, consistency is key. Even 5 minutes of dedicated stretching can significantly improve your posture and reduce back pain. Incorporate the cat-cow stretch, a yoga staple, to relieve tension in your spine. Feel each vertebrae becoming more supple. Elevate your routine with a gymnastic hollow body hold. This challenges your back, tightening and toning with every breath retained. End each session with a moment of gratitude. Acknowledge your body's progress and the peace it brings to your daily life.